Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the crankshaft pulley on Renault Scenic second generation with a 1.6 petrol engine. To get to the crankshaft pulley we need to remove the front wheel, the wheel arch and the cover under the engine. If the video is useful, please like and subscribe. Now that we've removed the wheel arch, we have access to the crankshaft pulley. First we need to remove the serpentine belt. This is the tensioner right there, and you need a wrench size 16 to move the tensioner clockwise in order to loosen the serpentine belt. Now that the serpentine belt is removed, next we can remove the crankshaft pulley bolt. I'm using a pneumatic gun to remove the bolt. Once I remove the bolt, the crankshaft pulley comes out as well. And now I can put on the new crankshaft pulley or the old one, whatever the reason for removing the crankshaft pulley you have. Now I'm going to tighten the bolt, and then I have to put on the serpentine belt the same way I removed it. Now I need to turn the tensioner clockwise in order to put the serpentine belt onto the tensioner. And that's the serpentine belt on. Next we need to assemble everything back in the reverse order. Thank you for watching.